Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the phone so the connection is stable and secure. Enable the mobile hotspot in settings and pick a clear SSID and a strong password. This prevents random devices from joining. Choose 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed when available. Once done, make sure battery is sufficient and background apps are minimized to preserve data. You're now ready to move to the laptop and complete the network pairing quickly and securely. You connect the laptop to the phone's SSID and enter the password you created. After connecting, mark the network as metered on Windows or limit background sync on Mac OS so you don't burn data unknowingly. Check that the laptop received an IP via DHCP. If pages don't load, set a reliable DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8. Once the link is active, test by loading a web page. Make sure latency and speed match expectations before starting heavy transfers. Finish by securing the session and picking the best tether method. Switch to USB tethering for a stable, charged connection when available, or Bluetooth for low-power tasks. If you run into issues, disable VPNs or proxies first. They can block DNS or routing. Restart the hotspot or toggle airplane mode to refresh mobile radio and DHCP leases. If problems persist, reboot both devices and re-enter the password. This simple reset resolves most tethering glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.